Amárach í gContae an Clár.
Hello everyone, it's Misha Michael.
It's Misha Donal, and we're delighted to be back to teach you another folk song as part of our children's folk song series.
The song we're going to learn today is about wanting to do something but our parents not letting us do it. Has that ever happened to anyone else out here?
Me too, Donal. The setting for this song is a market town in County Clare, which is in the southwest of Ireland. In old Ireland, the market towns were bustling and busy places where everyone would come from all around to buy their shoes, to buy their clothes, to buy their food. It was just like shopping centres today.
The structure of the song is verse-chorus. We'll stop by learning the verse, then we'll learn the chorus, and we'll keep repeating the chorus after every verse. The tempo of the song is andante, which is an Italian word. Can everyone say andante after me? Andante! Andante means walking pace. So we're going to start by walking. So can everyone stand up, make a bit of space around you, and let's start walking. 1, 2, 1, 2, just like you're walking through the market. Here we go. So repeat the words after us. The first words are Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Again, Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Again, Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. But what do the words mean? Beidh, Aonach, Amárach means there will be a fair tomorrow. Beidh, Aonach, there will be a fair. Amárach, tomorrow. I gContae Clár, in County Clare. So it translates to, there will be a fair tomorrow in County Clare. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár.
And the last line of every verse is in English. So the last line of this verse is, but what's the point if I'm not there? But what's the point if I'm not there? But what's the point if I'm not there? So let's run the whole first verse. 1, 2, get your walking and go.
Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. But what's the point if I'm not there? Now let's learn how to sing it.
Great, now that we're ready to sing verse 1, let's get walking.
3. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. But what's the point if I'm not there? Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. But what's the point if I'm not there? Brilliant! Now we've learned it all, let's sing it from start to finish at the same time as us. Are you ready? Keep moving. 1, 2, 3. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. But what's the point if again? Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. Beidh, Aonach, Amárach, í gContae an Clár. But what's the point if I'm not there?
Well done, excellent work.
Really, really good. Now we can move on and learn the chorus.
The chorus begins with a young girl pleading with her mother to go to the fair. Sa waharin a ligi tu chun énig me. Can you say that? Sa waharin a ligi tu chun énig me. Sa waharing aligi tu chon enig me. Again. Sa waharing aligi tu chon enig me. Brilliant. The last line of the chorus is in English, where the mother turns round and replies,
Oh, please, my child, don't ask again.
So now let's say the whole thing through. Sa
Waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Sa waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Sa waharina ligi tu kon enig me.
Oh please my child, don't ask again. Got it? Okay, let's sing it.
Hein, do, tri, car. Oh, waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Sa waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Sa waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Oh please my child, don't ask again. Sa waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Sa waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Sa waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Oh please my child, don't ask again. One more time. Sa waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Even more. Sa waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Even more. Sa waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Oh please my child, don't ask again. Absolutely brilliant. Now let's sing the chorus from start to finish without repeating bits back and forth. Just sing along with us. Here we go. A hen, a do, a tree, a car. So waharina ligi tu kon enig me. So waharina ligi tu kon enig me. So waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Oh please my child, don't ask again. So waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Come on man. So waharina ligi tu. I really want to go. So waharina ligi tu kon enig me. Oh please my child, don't ask again. Brilliant!
Well
Great
done.
job! Now that's the chorus. Every time we sing a verse, we'll also sing a chorus afterwards. So now let's move on to verse 2.
Verse 2 begins with the mother explaining to her daughter why she cannot go to the fair.
The mother says, Níl tú je no a hendig vos. You're not 10 and you're not even 11, so you can't go until you're older. The words are Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. 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 And then when it gets to the end of this verse, the mother says,
When you're 13, I let you go.
Here we go. Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. You're not 10 and you're not 11. A hen, a do, a tree, a car. Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. When you're 13, I let you go. Brilliant. Now, you've got it in your head. You've noticed it's the exact same as the previous verse. The melody is exactly the same. So, let's get straight into it and let's get you singing along with us. Here we go. A hen, a do, a tree, a car. Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. When you're 13, I let you again. Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. Níl tú a je no a hendig vos. When you're 13, I let you go. Hop, way! Brilliant.
Excellent work.
We're going to sing the entire thing through from start to finish, starting with verse 1, followed by the chorus. Then we'll go to verse 2, then we'll sing the chorus. Then we'll sing the chorus again because we love singing the chorus and it's the best part. So, here we go. Are you ready? You ready, Donald?
I'm ready. You, Michael?
I'm ready, Michael.
You guys ready?
Are you ready?
Show us. Hands up. Who's ready?
Is our cameraman Hugh ready? Hugh, are you ready? I'm ready. Brilliant. Here we go. So, after a hain, after a doe, after a tree, after a car. Say it with us.
A hen,
a doe, a tree, a car. Big Aonach, Amárach, Gunde and Clar. Big Aonach, Amárach, Gunde and Clar. Big Aonach, Amárach, Gunde and Clar. But what's the point if I'm not there? So worrying a licky to Cruinniu me. So worrying a licky to Cruinniu me. So worrying a licky to Cruinniu me. Oh please my child, don't ask again. Kneel to a gen or a hain day fuss. Kneel to a gen or a hain day fuss. Kneel to a gen or a hain day fuss. When you're 13, I'll let you go. So worrying and linking to Cruinniu me. So worrying and linking to Cruinniu me. So worrying and linking to Cruinniu me. Oh please my child, don't ask again. So worrying and linking to Cruinniu. Come on please. So worrying and linking to Cruinniu. I really want to go. So worrying and linking to Cruinniu me. Oh please my child, don't ask again. Woo! Good job everyone.
Well done, guys. That was brilliant. If you want to learn some more songs with us, you can go to our YouTube, Irish Institute of Music and Song, and look at all the kids' songs we have. There's loads of stuff, so we'd love to see you there.
Keep on singing, you're doing a great job. Bye!